Of course, Peter Obi got massive victory during this presidential petition in the court, and I'm going to take you down the memory lane of some of the SANs that helped Peter Obi to attain this very great victory during the PEPT case in the judiciary court. Hear the news in details. Of course, so many questions have been asked. How did Peter Obi manage to get this victory, knowing fully well that every other SAN were in court? But how did he manage to acquire this very victory, winning Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Shetima Counsel, APC Counsel, and INEC Counsel, four bazooka combined together, and yet Peter Obi won this without stress and without loss. Now I'm going to list some of the sons that were in the court with Peter Obi and of course his legal team. Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi's legal team include at least 20 senior advocates of Nigeria, SAN, and lawyers. Among the SANs are Dr. Livy Uzuku, Chief Awa Kalu, Dr. Onyechi Bazu, PIN Ikweto, Chief Ben Anyachebe, ST Horn, Otto Obi Okafor, Ikechukwu, IK Ezechukwu, JC Okutepa, Dr. Mrs. Venera Azinge, Emeka Okpoko, and Alex Ejesieme. These are some of the 20 SANs that were in court with Peter Obi, but I'm going to list the three powerful SAN and their lead counsel, which is Livy Uzoku, who smashed and crumbled and crushed the evidence that was brought to court by INEC, APC, and Tinubu Shetima Counsel. The Labour Party candidate Peter Obi hired the service of at least 20 senior advocates of Nigeria to challenge the outcome of the February 25, 2023 presidential election, which saw the All Progressive Congress APC candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu emerge as the winner. These lawyers are drawn from different chambers across the country and were furnished with materials that would be used as evidence in court. Remember, Obi objected the election result, which saw Tinubu winning with a total of 8,794,726 votes, with each claiming at separate press conference that the election was fraught with violence and massive rigging. Now, it is time for me to take you down the memory lane. I'm going to use just 3 SAN, powerful SAN, that caught Tinubu, APC, and INEC and crush everything they have to offer. We have number 1, Dr. Onyechi Ibazu, SAN, is the lead counsel on Peter Obi's team. Date of birth 15th April 1959, age 64 years old, alma mater Everton College, Lake Forest College, and Oklahoma City. Dr. Onyechi Ibazu, SAN, is undoubtedly one of the finest lawyers in Nigeria. The lawyer, who hails from Onitsha in Anambra State, southeast Nigeria, is famous for his fought in election petitions. He is apparently the first lawyer in the history of Nigeria to convince a Nigerian court to send a sitting governor packing. Dr. Onyechi got his legal training in the United States of America. He attended Everton College, after which he gained admission in Lake Forest College, Illinois. For his degree of Doctor of Juridical Science, Ibazu attended Oklahoma City University and graduated in 1982. Still active in the legal practice, Dr. Onyechi owns a legal firm known as Ibezu Chambers, a firm which was established by his father, Honorable Justice Chuba Ibazu, QC, OFR, in 1946, has earned a reputation in litigation as well as in corporate and commercial practice with offices at Onitsha and Abuja. Ibazu has served as chairman of the Nigerian Bar Association Onitsha branch and as NEC National Executive Council member of the national body NBA. In 2002, he was conferred with the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, and in 2007, President Umaru Musa Yar'Adua honored him with National Honor of Officer of the Order of the Niger (OON). In 2006, he was behind the appeal court declaration of Peter Obi'S as the winner of the April 2003 gubernatorial election in Anambra State, thereby unseating Ngige, who held the position for a brief period. Obi became the governor of Anambra State on March 17, 2006, 2 days after appeal court ruling against sitting governor Chris Ngige election's victory. In 2007, Ikpeazu also handled Obi's court case against the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and ensured he enjoyed uninterrupted his 4-year tenure as Anambra State. These are some beautiful things you need to know about this Ikpeazu. I have lots of things to say about him, but let me cut the whole story short. He has handled cases that helped to preserve the inheritance right of a woman. In 2019, he led the Adeleke legal team that convinced Osun State Tribunal to declare Adeleke as the new governor of Osun State. He is also a lead counsel in several state governorship election petition and appeal. These states include Ogun State, Akwa Ibom State, Enugu State, Abia State, Oyo State, Ebonyi and Rivers State, just to mention a few. Now we have number 2, Dr. Livy Uzoukwu, one of the bombastic lawyers that have been pressurizing the Tinubu's camp and the Tinubu's counsel. You know vividly well, he turned the case of INEC and that of APC against their own. He used their evidence against them. Date of birth August 30, 1958, age 64 years old. Alma mater Obafemi Awolowo University, Abia State University, University of South Africa. Born and raised in Umuhu, Okabia, in the Osu local government area of Imo State. Dr. Levi Uzoukwu was a former Honorable Attorney General of Imo State. He graduated from the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, with LLB honors degree in 1981. He was called to Nigerian Bar in July 1982. He obtained his LLM degree from Abia State University in 1991 and his LLD from the University of South Africa in 2010. Uzoukwu also attended leadership training at the International Leadership Academy, the United Nations University, Amman, Jordan, after completing his national unit service in 1983. He commenced his legal practice and was appointed the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Imo State. Between 1994 and 1996, he was a member of the Imo State Security Council, Imo State Judicial Service Committee and Imo State Boundary Commission. He was also a member of the Imo State Magistrate High Court Rules Committee. He was also a member of the Body of Benchers and Council of Legal Education at federal level. After a 2-year duty tour at Attorney General, Uzoukwu went back to private legal practice in 1996 and 3 years after, particularly in September 1999, he was conferred with the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria. He has an impressive experience in the practice of law at all levels of judicial system. He has also acted as legal advisor to several companies, corporations and institutions. To honor his impressive legal skill, in September 1999, he was conferred with the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria. In 2007, he was appointed by the Imo State Governor as a member of the Imo State Council of Elders in 2007, following his exemplary service to the state. By December 2008, he received yet another national award as the then President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria conferred him with the National Honor of Officer of the Order of Niger, recognized of his outstanding virtues and appreciation of his service to his country. So that you may know that Peter Obi did not just go and start choosing boys, he chose men to run this case. Dr. Uzoukwu OON SAN is also an accomplished author and publisher of several legal works of literature. He is equally a poet who has participated in several contests and won several prizes, including the International Poet Merit Award winner, International Society of Poets, Maryland, USA, Editor's Choice Award winner, and North American Open Poetry Contest. Now we have number 3, the one of the bombastic lawyer who has really dealt with APC and INEC in court. PIN equal to SAN, Alma Mater, University of Nigeria, Enugu Campus, Nigeria Law School, Lagos. With over 3 decades of practicing law both in Nigeria and in diaspora, Patrick Nwankwo Ikweto is undoubtedly a force to reckon with in matters that concern election petitions. Hence, it is not surprising to have him join Peter Obi's legal team. Patrick Nwankwo hails from the Umu Opara community in Orumba North, local government of Anambra State, and he is also recognized among his people as Dike Ejie Jemba, a chieftaincy title he received for his contributions to the development of the community and his many humanitarian works. A legal luminary and distinguished legal practitioner, is legally described as one of who does not compromise standards in his transaction and dealings with people, even among his peers. His hard work, commitment and dedication to what he knows how to do best have made the name Equator to be reckoned with amongst the top Nigerian brands in disbursed resolution. Beginning as a solo practice about 3 decades ago, the Equator law firm has evolved considerably. Equator graduated with his first degree certificate (LLB) from the University of Nigeria Enugu campus in 1984. He also enrolled at the Nigerian Law School in Lagos, where he obtained his Barrister at Law (BL) in 1985. He then returned to the University of Nigeria Nsukka for his LLM and graduated in 1991. He also obtained a certificate in international law in 2004. This is to tell you that Peter Obi chose men, not boys. So from this very review that I've made about these SANs, you should know that Peter Obi chose the right team for this job. And of course, Tinubu will be unseated with every due respect that should be given. Remember, Equator's practice areas also cover areas like arbitrations and mediation services, intellectual and real property consultant, financial investment, legal advisory service, trademarks and patent agent, general civil litigations. Thank you for supporting the Future News. We are moving ahead. Peace.